Do you need to replace the cooling fan on your Inspiron 15 5510? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. Okay, real quick, ESD or electrostatic discharge is the buildup of static electricity on a person's body. To prevent this, you can use an ESD wrist strap as well as an ESD mat. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Now peel back the adhesive cover and disconnect the battery cable. Now disconnect the cooling fan cable. Next, unscrew and remove the cooling fan. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.